Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to filter data using slicers and timelines in Excel. Let's begin to learn slicers and timelines.
In our previous videos, we learned how to create a pivot table and analyze data using it. Now we are working with the same employee data, but I have added one new column, order date, with dates from January to April 2024. This order date column is important because without a date column, timeline cannot be created in Excel. Before we begin, let's rename our sheet to keep things organized. Double-click on Sheet 1 at the bottom, clear the name, type Employee Data, press Enter. Now the sheet name clearly tells us what data is inside. This is a good practice, especially when you have multiple sheets in one workbook. So let's first quickly create a fresh pivot table with this updated data. Click anywhere inside the data, go to Insert tab, click Pivot Table. New worksheet is already selected. Click OK. New sheet opens. In the Fields panel, drag Department to Rows, drag Name below Department, drag Actual Sales to Values. Our pivot table is ready with the updated data, including order date. Now let's add a slicer for status. We want to quickly filter between target met and below target employees. Click inside Pivot Table, Pivot Table tab, Insert Slicer, check Status, click OK. Status Slicer appears. Click Target Met. Pivot Table instantly shows only employees who met their target. Click Below Target, switches instantly. Now let's add a timeline. A timeline is like a slicer, but specifically for dates. It lets you filter data by month using a visual slider. Click inside Pivot Table tab, click Insert Timeline. Insert Timeline dialog opens. Check Order Date, click OK. Timeline appears showing January, February, March, April 2024. Click January, Pivot Table updates to show only January data. Now click and drag from January to February. Pivot Table now shows both months together. This is very useful when you want to see data for specific months. Just drag across the months you need.
If you want to learn the complete data analysis and visualization with Excel course, full playlist link is available in the description below.
Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.